Hey guys, and welcome back. And if you are new, welcome, and I hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button before you leave. So today's video is a 2 off of $10 purchase at Dollar General. If you don't know about it, go to your Dollar General account and click that. So the first item I picked up was the Always liners, and they are the 24 pack. They are priced at $3. Then we have a $2 off digital. The next thing is the Gain Fireworks, and they are the 9.7 ounces. They are on sale this week for $3.95, and we have a $2 off digital. Then I picked up the Gain Fabric Softener. It is the 41 fluid ounces, or the 48 loads. It's priced at $3.95 as well, and we have a $2 off digital. So your total is going to come to $10.90. You're going to type in your phone number, and all of your digitals are going to come off. So with the 2 off 10 and the $2 a piece, that's $8 in coupons. So $10.90 minus $8 is going to bring your total to $2.90 plus tax. So I thought that was a great deal for 3 items. That is less than $1 a piece, guys. So, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed. And guys, happy couponing from my home to yours. And don't forget to subscribe, guys.